YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm going to show you what not to do to a Dell D520. Many of you don't have them anymore, but it's still a phenomenal unit, so stick around. AZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So I got two laptops back from a couple that I had already previously sold them to. And this is kind of what it looked like when I got it. I'm not going to put this plate back in for them. They've done destroyed it. Let me show you the other laptop. Instead of taking the screws out for the keyboard, they just took the screws off the back and decided to try to pry it up. I mean, this thing is mangled. So I'm not even sure if it's going to run. I know they had a hard drive failure. They should have called before they got this far into it, as it would have easily been a swap with the hard drive. Let me show you how easy that hard drive swap would be. There's one here. It slides right into the side. And literally, that's it. Now granted, there's true screws, but I could have easily had this taken apart no problem. Now I've got to figure out all kinds of things. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but they've pried so hard there on that screw that that metal housing is bent. So this is just going to be a challenge to see if I can even get it back to working order. So I'm going to tear it apart. I'll work on it, and I'll see if I can catch up with it here in a bit. Take the keyboard out after we got the screws out. Now we're going to undo the hinges for the LCD screen. Hook these three wires for the LCD. Continue to take the screws off all the way around. Nice thing is, if you videotape yourself, you'll be able to remember what order you took them off in, and hopefully see which tray you put them in. There we go. So you should be able to see how badly that was bent. I mean, obviously it was not holding itself down. Now, let's add back in some hardware. This. Something went wrong with this unit a while ago, so it's my parts supplier. This one needs lots of parts. So let's see here. That's usable. Robbed one of the RAM chips from this one, put it in the one there beside it. So we'll see if this guy's gonna want to run or not. Extra parts are going there in the middle. Donor parts, maybe, maybe not. Let's see if we can get this apart. So I took this piece out to the garage and slowly and gently pried the screw out right here. So that's done. So donor part, so far so good. Let's take this one off, slap this one down in. I know that'll sit back in here, but I need the top frame. Let's see where we're going to steal it from. Let's put this guy back together. Yeah, it looks a little better. Well, acting like there's a screw still attached, but let's see why. Right. Yeah, we missed one back there too. So for demonstration purposes, we're just gonna put maybe just a couple screws back together here. Tabs, install the keyboard clip, wiring, line up right. Alright, let's steal some power. Press the power button, see what happens. Take a little while for it to run through the memory that I changed. Hopefully it'll run. There we go. F1 continue. Looks like keyboard's working. I'd say we're back in business. Gotta do a little keyboard repair. You can see the keys, some of them are coming up. So I'll work on that. But thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Hope you found it somewhat entertaining. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.